प्रेम से बोले से अयोध्यापति रामचंद्र की. My dear devotees, tonight, as we have taken this honored opportunity to join together in devotion, tonight being our final of 5 nights of devotion to Bhagwan. और से रामायण कथा और भागवत कथा, tonight indeed, as we read from Bhagavatam, indeed seeking the grace of Bhagwan Shri Krishna and some of his leelas. At this time I invite each and everyone, let us all join together in Bhagavad Arti. Arti ke liye khara ho jaye. Please stand as you join in Bhagavad Arti. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha Nandagopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namah. Jai 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 Bhagavatam. Jai 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 Bhagavatam.
Jai 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 Bhagavatam. Jai 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 Bhagavatam.
Jai Bhagavat Bhagavan ki Jai Aarati. Papiyon ko aarati hai aarati. Jai Bhagavat Bhagavan ki Jai Aarati.
पापियों को पाप से आरती.
Guru Jai 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 Bhagavatam.
जय 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 भागवतम.
Jai 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 Bhagavatam.
जय 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 भागवतम.
ये अमर ग्रंथ ये मूर्ति पंथ ये पंचम वेद निराला नव ज्योति जगाने वाला. ये अमर ग्रंथ ये मूर्ति पंथ ये पंचम वेद निराला.
ज्योति जगाने वाला.
तो हर ज्ञान यही वरदान यही
हरिदान यही वरदान यही.
जगती मंगल की आरती. पापियों को आरती है आरती. श्री भागवत भगवान की जय आरती.
पापियों को पाप से आरती.
जय 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 भागवतम.
जय 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 भागवतम.
जय 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 भागवतम.
जय 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 भागवतम.
ये शांति पावन पुनीत उत्तम गाने वाला हर दर्द दिखाने वाला.
सांझ गीत पावन पुनीत सा भोग मिटाने वाला. हर दर्द दिखाने वाला.
हे सुख करनी है दुख हरनी है.
दुख हरनी है दुख हरनी.
ये मधुसूदन की आरती. पापियों को आरती है आरती. जय भागवत भगवान की जय आरती.
पापियों को पाप से आरती.
ओम जय 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 भागवतम.
जय 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 भागवतम.
ये मधुर बोल जग पंथ तोल संग मार्ग दिखाने वाला.
गरीब को बनाने वाला.
ये मधुर बोल जग पंथ तोल संग मार्ग दिखाने वाला.
गरीब को बनाने वाला.
जो श्री राम यही मन श्याम यही श्री राम यही
घनश्याम यही.
सब की महिमा की आरती. पापियों प्रिंस बोले श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की। भक्तजनों आसन पर बैठे, devotees, you can kindly be seated. बोले से अयोध्यापति रामचंद्र की। सब लोग से हाथ जोड़ प्रार्थना करो। As we all clasp our hands together, we focus our thoughts on the lotus-like feet of Bhagwan Shri Krishna. That Lord, my dear devotees, Murli Dhari, who holds the golden flute in his hands. Mora mukut sir par upar hai. And indeed having that golden crown upon his head. Banmala vibhushitam, with a mala of beautiful forest flowers. Tribhanginath, who is bent in 3 parts of his body. Anandarupi, that Lord who is most blissful to behold. Neelavaran Pitabasran, who wears a silken yellow dhoti of a very dark complexion. और कदम्ब वृक्ष के मुरली बजावे है. And he sits, my dear devotees, under the kadam tree as he plays his wonderful flute, mesmerizing those around him, the atmosphere of a cool nature, the birds, the beasts, the forests, all in sync with the consciousness of Krishna. Everything is but Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Murari. Glorification to that divine Krishna. Vakrutunda Mahataya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirviganam Kurume Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Sarvamangala Mangali Shive Sarvat Sadhike Sharanye Trambike Gauri Narayani Namosute Bande Devamapatim Surgrum Bande Jagat Karanam Bande Pannag Bhushanam Mrigadharam Bande Pashunapatim Bande Surya Shashankahi Vanayanam Bande Mukunda Priyam Bande Bhakta Janashayam Chavaram Bande Shivam Shankaram Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha Redhi Siddhi Data Siddhi Sadana Marana Vadana Sumiro Varambar Umadana Kadana Kilalako Ganapati Kripa Nidhan Janakani Ananda Bhavana Deho Vardhan Varno Bhasha Bhagavatam Jai Shivayananda Kanda Bhutanath Bhavabhayaharana Bhakti Visheshna Kana Gauravana Mangala Karana Ye Chandra हे ब्रजचन्द्र मुकुन्द ब्रजभूषण भूषण हरणा कातुः भवतय बन्ध चरण चरण ध्यान कर जय 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 जगदीश देवत देश महेश महिमा में जय वीर वीर जानत नहीं देहो मोहि वरदान राधा वरया वर सदा प्रेम भरी मुस्कान निज चित्र में कथ कथे रहे मोहि चाहिए सचुनाई और वासु प्रभु जगत के बसहि हृदय मन माही हो यही भाग्य जाति सदा लीला कुटिया गायन के भाग्य फिरता बाल बाल लेका नूर मुकुट सिर पर धरे कर मुजले युधमा शेष मुकुट कट पीठ पता यह सभी तो नंदना बसहु हृदय मन से देवता गुरुवर रजधर से कहु भागवत की कथा जो सुखदेव मुनि कवि परीक्षित मिश्र विशो श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रसा निज मन मुकुट सुधार वरणो रघुबर विमल यशा विधायक फलचा बुद्धहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल विद्या देहु करहु चले विकार करहु चले विकार करहु चले विकार। प्रेम से बोले श्री उमापति महादेव की निगम कल्पतरो गलितं फलम् सुखमुखादमृतं द्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुर्हो रसिका भवे भावका गोविंद गोविंद हरे मुरारी गोविंद गोविंद मुकुंद कृष्णा गोविंद गोविंद रतांग पानी गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति। हरे बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम जुगल चरण हे बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल चरण भजो सिंहवरा युगल चरण बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम 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 युगल चरण। इतने अयोध्या निर्मल कर दो इतने अयोध्या निर्मल कर दो उठा मधुर श्री कल यमुना बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल करना बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल करना बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल करना इतने कौन से ब्याह घोर खिलावे हो इतने कौन से ब्याह घोर खिलावे उतने सदा झुलावे पलना बोलो बोलो राधना युगल करना बोलो बोलो राधना युगल करना बोलो बोलो राधे धनुष बाण पर सोए इतने धनुष बाण पर सोए उतने पर मुरली धरना बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल करना बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल करना बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल करना इत रावण कसमुख कहे इत रावण कसमुख कहे हो कंस के मारे बहु जमुना कंस को मारी बहु जमुना बोलो बोलो राधना युगल करना बोलो बोलो राधना युगल करना बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम इतने सागर से तू बंधायो इतने सागर से तू बंधायो उठकर पर गिरिवर धरना उठ पर कर गिरिवर धरना बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल करना हे बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल करना बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल करना इतने सीता ब्याह रचायो रमा इतने सीता ब्याह रचायो उतर नीचो को के हरना बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल करना बोलो बोलो तुलसी उत सुरया कहावे रमा तुलसी उत सुर कहावे युगल बदन पर चित धरना युगल बदन पर चित धरना बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम युगल करना 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 बोले श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की That is not everybody भैया प्रेम से बोले श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की My dear devotees, my katha taken from the Srimad Bhagavatam. As we explore in this katha As you know, next month will be Krishna Janam, Ashtami. But I am not doing a katha of Krishna Janam. I am doing a katha where Bhagwan Krishna is leaving from one state to go into another. So he is leaving that place that is called Mathura. And he is entering into the state. Sorry, he is leaving Vrindavan and he is going to the state of Mathura. Raja Kans, my dear devotees, who was very, very desperate in trying to destroy this Krishna. And there is something that is called Shatru Bhav. You see God as your enemy, and every day he get up, he would be Krishna, 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 with a vengeance in his heart. But every day he was calling the name of the Lord. So there are those who call the name of Bhagwan Madhurya Bhav with sweetness on their tongue. And there are those who will call the Lord with vengeance on their tongue. For either we don't get what we want or we desire, so we blame God. Ramayana Katha tells you, Desha Kala Mein Samay Bichare. We blame three major things. Desh, the country you live in. Kal, we blame time. And sometimes we blame Ishwar Hai. We blame the Lord. So my dear devotees, Raja Kans thought to himself, let me get my best messenger to go and convey the message. And what is the message? He's having a huge wrestling match. And you know one of the things Bhagwan Krishna loves to do for sport is to fight, wrestle. So you ever see that in our blood? It is there in our blood. You ever grow up, my dear devotees, and your father, you had to give up that TV at a certain hour, at a certain time. You know why? Why, bhai? Because it had wrestling on that TV. All you ever grow up in a house like that? You can't make a noise, you know. Wrestling match going on. So my dear devotees, he wanted Krishna to be one of the challengers, to challenge him to this wrestle. And Balram, his brother, did not even like anything better. So in challenging both of them, there he sent one of his best messengers to put forth this message. What is the message? That you are now inviting Krishna to come to fight. But in a hope when he comes to fight, if I cannot go to Krishna, the urge is I will let Krishna come to me. That is what Bhagwan Krishna does. When you feel you cannot go to Krishna, Krishna does come to you. Krishna does come to his devotees. Man manam man bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mam vaishyasukta vai mat panam mat parayanam. Constantly think of me, he says to Arjuna. Constantly think of me and you shall come to me. But constantly think of him and he will come to you. And this is why, my dear devotees, as the Doha says, सब कर सुकृत this yajna was called Dhanusha Yajna. Raja Kans was hosting a Dhanusha Yajna. And hosting this Dhanusha Yajna, every valiant prince in that whole vicinity was invited. But the key individual was Balaram and Krishna. That was the key individual. So when they came there, Raja Kans would pound and pounce onto them and try to destroy him. Now he sent one of his best messengers, Rakshas by Nitya. Yaha Akrur Krur Hai Bhari. His name was called Akrur. Now Akrur hear about Krishna, never see Krishna, and don't know how he looks. He hear about Krishna. He come like if somebody hear about Pandit Gaya. Don't know Pandit Gaya, but stand up right next to Pandit Gaya to talk Pandit Gaya, with Pandit Gaya. All you understand the point? If somebody does not know you, but they just go with what they hear, it can change the whole outlook of how you are. So Akrur don't know who is this Krishna. But it says, my dear devotees, Gopi Pati Parinam Tumhara, he was the Lord of all the gopis. And the gopis were so in touch with Krishna, everything for them was Krishna. Why? Because he stole that consciousness already of them. And that Krishna, my dear devotees, when Akrur came, he started to look all around. Started to look all around to find Krishna. He would be hearing the flute Basuri playing. And when he heard the Basuri, everybody told him, he says, listen to the Basuri and you will find Krishna. Follow the sound of the Basuri and you will find Krishna. Krishna always under the Kadam tree, playing his Basuri. And my dear devotees, Akrur started to ask around, where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? Who is this Krishna? I have an invitation. And my dear devotees, when he went out, Dai se bahut Yashomati se Rani, and he went and he meet Yashomati. And indeed, meeting Yashomati and Nanda Baba, he told unto them of this wonderful invitation. In days gone by, we did not have mic and social media. So you had to send Neuta out. You would invite somebody, you would call a little rice, and you would pay them Dakshina, and they will go now and share Neuta in the village. All you remember those days, Bhaiya? The younger children might not know of these days. Today we have nice fancy card. And you're lucky if you get one now. The fastest thing to do is do what? WhatsApp your invitation. That's the fastest thing. So you will see that if evolution has taken place in different forums. And my dear devotees, when Krishna, Yashomati, indeed, when he explained why he has come to extend an invitation to this Krishna, and he saw this Krishna, seen this Krishna, my dear devotees. Now imagine you see Krishna for the first time. What you'll do? He was speechless, he was spellbound, he didn't move. His eyes remained stuck upon Krishna. His eyes and his mind and his senses as though it was freezed, just as he saw Krishna. That Krishna he never expected. What did he expect? That Lord who is beyond the state of Maya. Madhusudana Jaya Girivara Govinda Manamohana Madhusudana Jaya Girivara Govinda Jaya Girivara Govinda. That Lord who charms this world, one of the name of Krishna is called Mohan. Mohan means the one who charms this universe. And with the charm of Krishna, my dear devotees, immediately Akrur could not say a word. He became speechless by what he saw. Seeing that Lord, my dear devotees, for the first time, blessing his eyes upon Krishna. Oh Keshava, Madhava, Jaya Deva Madhusudana, Keshava. प्रेम से बोले श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की. Divinity meets that which is not divine. But what happens? Divinity is supposed to awaken the non-divine. That divinity of Bhagavan Shri Krishna, as he exudes this divine power beyond the state of Maya, Mohana idhar dekhi jai. When he looked at this young boy, seeing the innocence of Krishna, he could not take his eyes off him. He could not take his eyes from looking. You ever hear somebody say, I never wink or never blink? That was Akrur. He didn't know how if to wink or if not. If it is just an illusion that he was seeing. As the Chopai says, Jai Ram, Shri Rama, Jai Jai Rama,
Jai Ram, Jai Rama, Jai Rama.
Sab Hari Maya, Mahiya Gunai, Bharat Hirat, Paise Dubai, Jai Ram, Shri Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Rama, Jai Rama, परम विकल भाई यवती विषेकी रही करही जबलती रज देकी बोल राम 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 श्री राम राम परम विकल भयो अवधि विषेकी रही थकी जबलती रथय विषेकी जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम बोलो राम 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 सीता राम राम बोलो राम राम बोलो राम 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 सीता राम राम बोले श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की Akur came same day, same time, same moment. Krishna had to leave. No announcement could be made. That was the order of the king. Balram and Krishna both had to leave immediately. And the most they did, Paragahi Serathai, they bowed to their mother and father and they sit upon that chariot, Odo Bhai, Baiti. These two brothers, they sat upon that chariot, and Akrur was now the charioteer. No one was informed that Krishna was leaving. No one knew. So imagine for Yashomati, Nand Baba, that shock took them immediately. There was no time to play. There was no time to dular that Krishna. And as the Sakhis, word started to spread. Word started to spread like wildfire here. Everyone started to hear, Krishna is leaving. Krishna is leaving. Krishna is leaving for Mathura. He is leaving us in Vrindavan. And my dear devotees, can you imagine what happened? A state of panic started to run through the minds of everyone. A state of distress started to run through the minds of everyone. A state of pain was felt in the hearts of all the gopis. And they dropped everything. Some were cooking, they forget pot on, they use the word stove or chulha. They throwed away everything and just run. Krishna is leaving. And Akrur, my dear devotees, he did not kidnap them, but they were now commanded that they had to go to this Dhanushayagya. ममता तजी तजी बाबा का प्यार बाल बाल की मित्रता गोपियन की मनोहार तज के सब परिवार को तज मुरली की तान अपनों से मुख मोर की मधुरा चली ओ सुना सुना लागे बिरज का धाम गोकुल छोड़ चली घन श्याम सुना सुना लागे बिरज का धाम गोकुल छोड़ चली घन श्याम। My dear devotees, the people started to flock the bars and the bars. They forgot everything. Everything was Krishna. They started to hold on to that chariot, not letting it go. And they begged Krishna, you cannot leave us now. You cannot leave us today, at this moment. And in tears, everyone was. Not only the human being were in tears, but it says the river, the stream, the Jamuna, the forest, the animals, the birds, everybody were in tears to see their Krishna go. Suna suna lage biraj ka dhaam, gokul chhod chale jan jaam. जमुना रोवे मधुबन रोवे रोवे जगमगी नैया ओ जमुना रोवे मधुबन रोवे रोवे जगमगी नैया घर घर नैना रोवे सुना सुना बिरज का धाम गोकुल छोड़ चली घन श्याम। His friends came. Manusudha, he came and he started to hold on that chariot and he said, Shyam, you going? You leaving us like this, oh Krishna? And that poor young Brahmana who was deformed a little bit by the name of Sudama. Sudama just stood with his hands clasped because he could not hold that chariot. And he begged, he said, Krishna, no, not today. Not today, Krishna. बोलत केना घर के पंछी अचवन से भरना अचवन से भरना आजा कान्हा नाचा कान्हा नाचा कान्हा नाचा कान्हा आजा कान्हा नाचा कान्हा रोए, ले कान्हा कान्हा मरे। ओ सुना सुना लागे बिरज का धाम, गोकुल खजूर चले घनश्याम। सुना सुना लागे बिरज का धाम, गोकुल खजूर चले घनश्याम। प्रेम दीवानी राधा रानी, घर में नन में पानी, सुबह सुबह कहे हाय रे कान्हा, हाय रे कान्हा, हाय रे कान्हा। सुबह सुबह कहे हाय रे कान्हा, तूने बिरहा के पीर न जाने। कैसे कटेगी तुम बिन साथी, कैसे कटेगी तुम बिन साथी, जीवन की अब शाम रे। ओ सुना सुना लागे बिरज का धाम, गोकुल छोड़ चले घनश्याम। सुना सुना लागे बिरज का धाम, गोकुल छोड़ चले घनश्याम। अरे गोकुल छोड़ चले घनश्याम, ओ गोकुल छोड़ चले घनश्याम। Bhaiya, is one thing when you walk away from God, but there is a difference when God walks away from you. There's a difference. And the day when God walks away from you, then you will understand this pain. That there is a void in your life that nobody cannot fill, besides the divine Lord and Himself. And when everybody started to cry, it says, Ghar ghar naina, tears not of joy, tears of grief. And Krishna is standing there in that chariot and he looks on. What he sees, faces of sorrow and sadness. He doesn't see anything pleasing. His friends try to hold down the bulls that were riding or pulling this cart. And they try to stop it. And they say, Krishna. They call him all the beloved names, Krishna, Kanha, Govind, Gopal, Nandlal. They call him it all. Where are you? Why it is that you are not coming to us? This is why Bhaiya is one thing when you walk away from God and God walks away from you. And I am saying this tonight, don't ever allow God to walk away from you. The day that you allow the Lord to walk away from you, have nobody to help you, So wake up and realize, this is why I keep, and I have said this for the past number of nights, wake up and realize, do not be an individual who bhakti is struggling. Be firm. When everybody was crying and in tears, it says even the streams, the mountains, the birds, they were not singing songs of joy. It's sad to know that such a divine bhajan, we hear it used as a chutney now. Only know what it really means? That Lord is leaving. And when that Lord is leaving, my dear devotees, no one could change the mind of Krishna again. You know why? Krishna was focused on one thing, and that one thing was going to this Dhanush Yag and destroy Kans once and for all. When the Lord enters into your life, my dear devotees, He has to come to destroy the wickedness and the evil that is around you or in you. But if you do not allow the Lord to enter in, how would He do it? How would He do it? And we ask why it is that I am still under so much of pressure or pain. And everyone is begging Krishna, Krishna, Sunu Krishna, Hari, you are, listen to us, na Krishna. Take heed of our words, na Krishna. You are just leaving us. You are just leaving us without even saying a word. Krishna did not even utter a word, Bhaya. And when he saw Radha, he had a special affection for Radha. And when he saw Radha, he could not even utter a word to Radha. All he saw was what? Tears, tears, and tears flowing. We just get a little taste of that when you see the hearse pull up and it's your mother or your father. And the day when it comes that you have to tell him goodbye forever. We just get a taste of this feeling. But when you have to understand, my dear devotees, Bhagwan Krishna, everybody's mind was in turmoil. Akrud, my dear devotees, Akrud, dhire, dhire, bhari, little, slowly, he started to move this chariot further and further. And as the chariot continued to move, it tells us, O Shri Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Ram, Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama,
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
Jab akrudaya vinaya bahu kinha, bihas kripalu bhakti bharadinha, kaba akruda jora panihata, kaba maya jaya gumata, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Ram,
Jai Jai Rama.
O Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
O Shri Ram, Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama. To quench the heart of the desire of all the gopas and the gopis, Bhagwan Krishna, what did he do? Krishna Chaturbhuja Roop hai. Who could see it would see it. Who had the divine energy would see it. And there he stood on that chariot of a cruise, and by standing on that chariot he showed to them Chaturbhuj, the four-armed one. Sankh, Chakra, Gada, Padma. Holding in his hand the Sankh, on the other hand he held the Gada. The Chakra, the hand he held the Gada, the mace, and one he held the lotus flower. And when he showed to everyone this form, not everyone had the ability to see it. If you are divine, if you are spiritual, you are able to see it. This is why the Muni, the Kinnar, the Gandharva, Sabdeva. So these divine souls that were there present, when they saw that form of Bhagwan, Banmala Vibhushitam, he was all decorated with forest flowers. Mor Mukuta Pankaj Sir Upar Hai, with a peacock's feather that was stuck into his golden crown. And when he stood in that form, my dear devotees, और Krishna par ki sab seva hai. They joined their hands together, and Krishna knew this is the only thing which will quench their thirst of bhakti. He knew this is the only thing that will calm them. He knew this is the only thing that will bring a state of calm to their tears. He knew this is the only thing that the true bhaktas will understand. And my dear devotees, even though it simmered their tears, even though their tears, they were no longer in that state of frame, and then they looked on and they saw the chariot of Akrura started to further and further and further away. That Krishna, my dear devotees, was now only a memory in your mind and only in your heart. So the gopis and the gopas, my dear devotees, the only one who was blessed to have that opportunity to Bhagwan Krishna was none other than Akrura. Imagine you so blessed, Bhaya. Every time Akrura drive in his chariot to go forward, he kept looking back. He kept looking back. You know why? He's telling to himself, today I am blessed to see who is this Krishna. I heard so much about Krishna, but today I am blessed. That thirst, my dear devotees, that thirst, it was there. So in hearing that Krishna, my dear devotees, all he wanted to do, everybody, Sati suno bajat basuriya, oh Sati suno bajat basuriya, oh suna bajat basuriya, Sati suno bajat basuriya. निर्मल नीरे जमुना तीरे निर्मल नीरे जमुना तीरे गावत राग बसुरिया सखी सुनो बाजत बासुरिया ओ सखी सुनो बाजत बासुरिया मुकुट विशाला गले पानमाला मुकुट विशाला मुकुट विशाला गले पानमाला चंद्र नामा की पुरिया सखी सुनो बाजत बासुरिया ओ सखी सुनो बाजत ब्रह्मानंदन ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मानंदन हरिमुखनंदन मुनि जन मन की हरिया सती सुन बाजत बासुरिया ओ सती सुन बाजत बासुरिया हे सुन बाजत बासुरिया सुन बाजत बासुरिया सती सुन बाजत बासुरिया ओ सती सुन बाजत बासुरिया ओ सती सुन बाजत बासुरिया ओ सती सुन बाजत बासुरिया. Bhaiya, if you have one opportunity in your life to see that Lord in that image, what would you do? You will be so spellbound, you might not even know where you are, what to do, how to do it, where to do it, want to do. There's just a wanting, a craving for Krishna. And now Krishna has gone. And the only man who was able to bless his eyes again, Bhagwan Krishna left into the hearts and the minds of everyone that Chaturbhuj form. And leaving my dear devotees, Jai Jagat Karana Harana Jagabandana Jai 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 Sutta Sutta Mohana Jan. They started to pray because this is what they know to do best. To praise that Lord, to give praise unto Him. And this is why last night I tell to you, in happy times, what you do? Pray. In sorrow times, what you do? Pray. In hard times, what you do? Pray. In good times, pray. And make prayer every time of your life. And my dear devotees, when Akrur went with Bhagwan Krishna, no longer to be seen with these physical eyes, as he entered into the city, beautiful city of Mathura. Would you allow your children to go with a total stranger? If the Prime Minister comes and she says you have to let your child go, would you do it? No. You will hold on to your child for the last. So think of how Yashomati was feeling, Yashoda was feeling torn. Feel how Nanda Baba was feeling torn. And imagine all the Sakhis, everybody, Bhaiya, in that frame. But indeed, when Krishna entered to the city, my dear devotees, there was one young man. You know what he did? He knew where this chariot had to pass. And he hopped and he hopped and he hopped. You know who is that? You know who is that, Bhaiya? Sudama. Sudama had a limp. And while everybody crying on this side, Sudama run and hopped and run however he could on the banks of the Jamuna, where his bhakti led him, my dear devotees. Jai Rama, Sri Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Sri Rama, Jai Rama, Jai Rama, Jai Rama, Sri Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Sri Rama, Jai Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Tahi bhakti var devar dana, Suni Prabhu kare प्रभु की भक्ति रवि की, प्रभु को रचिया बोले कर जोगी, प्रभु की रचिया बोले कर जोगी, उड़वाना दे दूजी मोरी, रघुपति राघव राधा रामा, पतित पावन जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, ओ श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. That young man by the name of Sudama, he jumped, he walked, he hopped, whatever he did, Bhaya, one thing propelled him and pushed him. It says, Bhakti Varse Bardhan Hai. Because of his devotion to Bhagwan Krishna. Remember, anyway, Krishna was, and they used to go hide and seek and play in the forest. He would know all the shortcuts. So Sudama left everybody behind, weeping and crying, and he says, I have to see Krishna last. And he went, my dear devotees, and he saw from a distance where Akrur is coming up with his chariot. And what did he do? He stopped the chariot. He went in the middle of the road and put out his hands, and he stopped that chariot. And in stopping that chariot, Charanara Brinde apne ghar ke alawa, he says to the Krishna, I want to hold on to your feet. He says, today I want to hold on to your feet. And in holding on to the feet of Bhagwan Krishna, my dear devotees, the tears that stream from the eyes of Sudama is what washed his feet. Is what is washed his feet. Aage jaat kubari dekhi se Prabhu, don't leave. My mind is in turmoil. Man se janma se safar se dekhi. What have I done in this world that I will lose you today, O Krishna? And my dear devotees, when Sudama embraced the feet of the Lord in an act of begging him, Krishna told to him, he says, Bhaya, he says, I have to go. I have to do my duty. But you have to stay here as well and do your duty. This is why Bhagwan placed us in a home for a reason, to perform a duty. Bhaya, you feel like Plamitan just for a reason? Just to do 5 nights yagya? Something pushed and propelled to reach here, you know. And I said this last night, many years I was being asked to come here and come here and come here. But when the time is right, not so Rafi. When the time is right, I will reach. Many years I told Rafi that. I said, when the time is right, I will reach. And what pushed to reach here is one thing: bhakti. Bhakti. When your bhakti, your devotion pushes you to meet the Lord, to go through any length or breadth that you have to go, you will reach Him. But in reaching Him, Bhaya, watch what Sudamu did. Many people, when they ask me, Baba, so far you're going to read? You're afraid? I say, once you have God on your side, why should you fear? The first night, Bhaya, thunderstorms, tree block us. We nearly didn't reach home too. But all this is the test in the way to make the sacrifice work. And my dear devotees, when Sudama embraced the feet of Bhagwan, He says to Prabhu, हाथ जोड़ बार बार मैं बालक बोले. He said, Krishna is just a child. I hold my hands together and I clasp my hands together and I hold to your feet and I beg you, Krishna, don't leave. हाथ जोड़ कर बार बार मन बालक बोले. ओ हाथ जोड़ कर बार बार मन बालक बोले. एक छोटा बालक बोले, दर्शन दो, दर्शन दो, दर्शन दो बाबा बोले. दर्शन दो, दर्शन दो, दर्शन दो बाबा बोले. पूरी घूमा मथुरा नगर, आवत नंद कुमार. सुन धाये लोक सभा, गृह गोकाज विचार. हाथ जोड़ कर बार बार मैं बालक बोले. एक बालक ओ दर्शन दो, दर्शन दो, दर्शन दो बाबा बोले. दर्शन दो, दर्शन दो, दर्शन दो बाबा बोले. Sudama held on to the feet of Krishna and he says, Krishna, promise me, if I let go of your feet that you go, promise me that you will return. Promise me, Krishna, that if I let go of this feet that you will return. The purity of a bhakta, the Lord himself will come from anywhere, bhaya. The purity of that bhakta. If you walk in, this is why they tell you some mandirs, you go in, they tell you don't even take out a picture. The purity of the bhakta is so great, the Lord will leave the altar and he will go with the bhakta. The purity of the love that Sudama had for Krishna, I cannot explain that love. I cannot even begin to tell you that love Sudama had for Krishna. But there is a saying that says, time change and what's the next part? People change. True or not? True or not, bhaiya? If I rest $1 million in your hands, if you do change now, you will change. But here, at this time, at this moment, Sudama had so much love and bhakti. He said, Krishna, if I let go of this feet, promise me that you will not stay in Mathura, but you shall return to me. And Krishna embraced him. And he says, Sudama, Puri se ghum se Mathura nagar, I have to go. Avat se Nand Kumar, even though I am the son of Nanda, but I have a duty to fulfill. Let me go. If I hold on to you, I will not want to go. If I hold on to you, it will crave me not to let go of you because of your pure bhakti. That devotion that is of purest of nature. My dear devotees, Krishna had to go. सुंदाए से परलोक सब, गृह को काज विसार. Sudama gently allow his hands to release the feet of Bhagwan Krishna. Gently allowed his hands to release the feet. And there he stood for the rest of that evening, looking on at a bare road. Krishna has already gone. And he looked on to that road as though Krishna is going to come back now. My dear devotees, when that bhakti flows into the heart and the mind of a true bhakta, nothing in this world matters again. Nothing in this world. No food, no clothes, no shelter. Rain could have fallen at that time. Sudama would not feel nothing. He was standing in the hot sun, Bhaya. He felt nothing. All he looked on, my Krishna is coming. This is why it says, in the bhajan, it tells us, Aja Kanha, Naja Kanha. Kanha, don't go. Kanha, don't go. We beg you, Kanha. But Kanha had to do what he had to do. For what? Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirbhavati bharata abhyutanam dharmasya tadatmanam srijamiham paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya duskritam dharma sansthapanartaya sambhavami yuge yuge. For the protection of dharma, Bhagwan Krishna had to leave his devotees behind. For the protection of dharma. This is why it says, Dharma rakshata rakshataha. Those who protect dharma, dharma will protect you. Please believe that is very true. Those who protect dharma, dharma will protect you. It will protect you now. It has protected us in the past, and it will continue to protect us in the future. But stand up and protect dharma. And once you could do it, Bhaya, without a doubt, dharma will protect you. So Bhagwan Krishna had now, he left and he entered into that city of Mathura. Dhanush Yagya. Kans is so excited. Raja Kans was so excited. Yes, my enemy come to me. I did not have to go to the enemy. And as long as my enemy has come to me, today I will destroy this Krishna. Yet alone he did not realize Krishna had a plan already done in his head. Krishna had a plan. But I can't go into that plan. That is an ex-katha, Bhaya. That is an ex-katha. So this is why I tell you there is a difference tonight. When you allow yourself to leave God, and there's a difference when you see God leaves you. I want you to choose which one you prefer. God to leave you or you to leave God. And if we were smart enough, we will say none of the above. I don't want to leave God, and neither would I want God to leave me. Bole Sri Vrindavan Bihare Lal ki, Prem se bole Sri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki. So my dear devotees, I know tonight we have our little vote of thanks, etc. to do. So while Panditji performs the Havan, we will have one bhajan, and I will invite our member of Mandir, Ramesh. You? Okay.
Radhe 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 Go गोविंद
राधे राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
वृंदावन चंद
वृंदावन चंद
अनाथ नाथ दीन बंधु राधे गोविंद
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 राधे 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 गोविंद
राधे 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 गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
वृंदावन चंद
वृंदावन चंद
अनाथ नाथ दीन बंधु राधे गोविंद
अनाथ नाथ दीन बंधु राधे गोविंद
नंद कुमार नवनीत छोरा राधे गोविंद
नंद कुमार नवनीत चोरा राधे गोविंद
नंद कुमार नवनीत छोरा राधे गोविंद
नंद कुमार नवनीत चोरा राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
वृंदावन चंद
वृंदावन चंद
अनाथ नाथ दीन बंधु राधे गोविंद
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 राधे 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 गोविंद
राधे 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 गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
वृंदावन चंद
वृंदावन चंद
अनाथ नाथ दीन बंधु राधे गोविंद
अनाथ दीन बंधु राधे गोविंद
अनाथ नाथ दीन बंधु राधे गोविंद
अनाथ दीन बंधु राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
सुरपारायण कृष्ण राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
सुरपारायण कृष्ण राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
वृंदावन चंद
वृंदावन चंद
राधे गोविंद दीन बंधु राधे गोविंद
दीन बंधु राधे गोविंद
राधे 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 गोविंद
राधे 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 गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद
Prem se बोले श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की. So my dear devotees, tonight I invite a member of the mandir who will do the vote of thanks for us at this time.
प्रेम से बोले श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. So just before we have the vote of thanks, devotees, let me first acknowledge Vyasji, Pandit Mukesh, Pandit Gayaji, other Pandits present this evening. I won't be doing the vote of thanks, but I have been asked to facilitate a very short segment of our continued devotion over the past 5 nights. And at this point in time, I would like to invite to this center stage Karina Sudin, who will be performing a dance in devotion towards Bhagwan, and she also represents the Durga Sangam dance group. So I invite Karina Sudin at this point to join us in front for this devotional dance.
जटाग्रविग्गलज्जलं प्रवाहपावितस्कले गले बलं बलं विताम्बुजं गतुङ्गमालिका डमक् 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 विना डमर्वय चकार चण्डताण्डवं नवोऽसुवः शिवः शिवं शिवः शिवम्
Thank you very much, Karina, for that wonderful dance. At this point in time, the members of the Mandir have also chosen to show the appreciation to Jaya and Ambika. I believe I got those names correct. And at this point in time, I will invite Auntie Chandra, who will gladly come to the stage and show the appreciation by offering you a small token of appreciation. So, Auntie Chandra. So I'll ask Jaya to please come forward and he will offer you this small token of appreciation. So on behalf of this Mandir, Jaya, thank you very much for being here and the entire group. Thank you so much for your devotion and contribution to this Mandir and the 5 nights you're here. I'm calling on Ms. Kisha. Will you please assist me in this next part? So, Ambika, on behalf of the Mandir, we also like to show a contribution and thanks to you for the 5 nights that you have been here and the devotion that you have joined with everyone on making this yagna a success. So, Ms. Kisha, will you do the honors of offering this humble token of appreciation? Thank you very much. And last but not least, I will ask Sangeeta to please come forward and offer this small token of contribution and appreciation towards Karina Sudin for this wonderful dance that she has just performed. On behalf of the members of this mandir, thank you so much for this wonderful dance that you have just rendered. And last but not least, I will ask Julie to come forward and she will now render the vote of thanks for this evening. Thank you and Sitaram.
Sitaram everyone. As we come to the end of this 5-night Bhakti Gyan Yajna, I would like to say a special thanks on behalf of the members of this mandir to all the Srotas for their willingness to always sit for Hawan every night, to you the audience who came and listened diligently, to Pandit Brian for gracing us with your presence each night, to my Guru Pandit Gaya for conducting Bedi Puja, for always being on time. Pandit Gaya is always willing to perform puja whenever he is called upon, and for this we are forever grateful. To the group on stage who sang so lustily, so melodiously and so vibrantly, we thank you. To the officiating Vyas Pandit Mukesh and his Dharam Patni for coming religiously on time for the past 5 nights despite the distance. Baba, on behalf of the members of this mandir, we would sincerely like to thank you for bringing such vibrations every night. Your kathas were delivered so eloquently, where the youngest to the oldest could understand the messages. Your vibrations spiritually energized everyone. Thank you, Baba. I can't forget the sponsors who made this program possible via IETV for those who could not physically be here tonight and for the past 5 nights. Bridgestone Auto Electrical Company Limited, number 425 Papuri Road, Rago Village, San Fernando. Harris Party Rentals Limited, number 4 Sunset Drive, 5 Rivers, Aruca. Narendra General Hardware and Construction Limited, 3¼ mile mark, Sangre Chicket, Sangre Grande. Satyavis Hardware and Electronics, 29 Eastern Main Road, Sangre Grande. INR Roofing Company Limited, El Carmen Street, St. Helena Village, Piaco. Anjani Puja Store, Puja and Gift Shop, number 25, St. Helena Village, Piaco. V&V Contracting Company Limited, number 11, St. Helena Village, Piaco. A&A Contracting Company Limited, light pole numbers 11, St. Helena Village, St. Helena. And Sat Sai Company Limited, St. Helena Village, Piaco. Devotees can view the rebroadcast from tomorrow evening on IETV from 7 to 9 p.m. If there's anyone that I forgot, I do apologize. But I'd just like to say a special thanks to all the helpers behind the scenes who have made this 5 nights a success. Meals and prasad have been prepared for everyone. Please stay back and enjoy the hospitality. Have a safe journey back home. Sitaram, everyone.
Bole Shri Ayodhyapati Ramachandra ki Jai. My dear devotees, tonight I also wish to thank firstly Bhagwan for granting me the opportunity to grace members of this mandir here for 5 nights. It was indeed a great blessing to be amongst you for the first time, and I hope it's not the last time. I must thank our Pujari Pandit Gaya for assisting me in puja, our Shrotas, our technical team, our Bhaiya behind ITV. I must also thank you, the Bhaktas, the devotees from living your home near and far, to join with members of this mandir
I must thank is Videsh. Videsh, you are doing a wonderful job. Keep it up. I must thank members of my group. I always tell to them that they are my hands and feet. So I must thank them very, very ardently, religiously, for every day making that sacrifice and effort to join with me in this 5 nights Yajna. So tonight I must say thank you to everyone who had made this possible. I must thank the kitchen crew or the kitchen staff. Every night we got very delicious meals and we were provided with delicious meals. So indeed it was a great pleasure, Bhaiya. I hope that somewhere, somehow, the Katha resonates in our heart and our bhakti. We do not struggle with bhakti, but we struggle to rise higher and higher and higher in our devotion. I wish to also thank Pandit Brian and members of the Bhavani Shankar Seva Sangh for each night bringing up a maxi load of us, and that seva of doing this, blessings unto him and members of his mandir as well. So my dear devotees, at this time let us all stand as we join in our final offering into the Havan. Om Puranamida Puranamidam Puranat Purmudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Rogana Seshan Pansi Tushta Rushtatu Kaman Sakalan Abhishtan Tvam Hashitanam Navipandaranam Tvamashitanam Shetam Prayanti Om Sarvam Vai Purnagam Swaha Om Apo Hishtamayo Bhavastanam Urjed Dhatana Mahiranaya Chakshuse Om Vishnave Namaha Om Vishnave Namaha Om Vishnave Namaha. Prem Sole Sri Shankar Mahadeva Ki. Please remain standing as we join in our final arati for this night. Jai 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 Bhagavatam. 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 Jai Bhagavat Bhagavan Ki Jai Aarati. Jai Bhagavat Bhagavan Ki Jai Aarati. अमर ग्रंथये मुक्ति पंथये पंचम वेद निराला नव ज्योति जगाने वाला। अमर ग्रंथये मुक्ति पंथये पंचम वेद निराला नव ज्योति जगाने वाला। हरि ज्ञान यही वरदान यही हरि ज्ञान यही वरदान यही जग की मंगल की आरती। पापियों को जय भागवत भगवान की जय आरती। ये शांत दीप पावन पुनीत सापों में गाने वाला हरि दर्श दिखाने वाला। ये शांत दीप पावन पुनीत सापों में गाने वाला
मधुसूदन जी आरती पापियों को जय भागवत भगवान जी है आरती
पापियों को पाप देने आरती
ये मधुर बोल जग पंथ खोल संग मार्ग दिखाने वाला बिगड़ी को बनाने वाला ये मधुर बोल जग पंथ खोल संग मार्ग दिखाने वाला बिगड़ी को बनाने वाला श्री राम यही घनश्याम यही सबकी महिमा की आरती जय भागवत भगवान जी जय आरती यशोदा यशोदा की पार 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 हे गिरिवर गोपाला 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 यशोदा यशोदा की यशोदा यशोदा की यशोदा यशोदा की हे गिरिवर गोपाला 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 यशोदा यशोदा की पार यशोदा यशोदा की पार यशोदा यशोदा की पार और हाथ जोड़ प्रार्थना करो ओम मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गणरध्वज मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय तनोहरि ओम त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुः सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेवा ॐ गणपति गिरिजा वृषभध्वजं षण्मुखुन्नन्दे मुखदिन्दिमा मनुजमालकुशूलमृगस्पृशम् प्रतिदिनं कुशलं जयमङ्गलम् प्रतिदिनं कुशलं जयमङ्गलम् प्रतिदिनं कुशलं जयमङ्गलम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण 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 ओ स्वामी नारायण नारायण बोले श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की, बोले आप सती दुर्गा माता की, बोले शंकर महादेव की, प्रेम से बोले सच्चे सनातन धर्म की जय जय। सीताराम। शुभमस्तु। आसन पर बैठे। You can kindly be seated. Please receive your Aarti of Prasadam. Meals are prepared for everyone. Please stay partake of meals. Blessed night to all, and may you have safe return to your homes. Jai Jai Sitaram.